Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. So let's begin. Over here I have these mason jar candle holders. I have to tell you I love these, and I have one actually lit up over here. I wanted to show you what it looks like. It's very pretty. I'll just show you with the lights on, and that's what it looks like. You just kind of have to plop the tea light candle in it. It's kind of like aiming. And then I also got a candle lighter over here. I think this is the best find in the Dollar Tree because at Walmart and stuff they have it for $3. So I think this is a very good deal in the Dollar Tree. I picked up this English lemon tea cookies on recommendation on Instagram. I've never tried this before, so I'm hoping this is really good. Can have it with tea or something else. These soaps are new to the Dollar Tree. They've been there for a while now, and I have to tell you, this is the best hand soap that you can ever find. It's comparable to even the high-end types of hand washes. It is so fragrant, it is thick, and we really like it. I would say our favorite is probably the Fresh Mint and Freesia, but nevertheless these are amazing too. Moving on to cooking sprays. I have always seen people haul this and I've never picked it up, but I'm going to give this a try. It comes in a 5-ounce can, like bottle. So cooking spray. Then coming to the search is finally over with this Bolero. I finally found something. I had probably given up on this brand because I went to like 10 Dollar Trees in all different states. Couldn't find it till today. So I only found the body scrubs. I got it in lemon, verbena and mint, the coconut milk and mango, lavender and chamomile. And I would say the best one is probably the lemon verbena and mint, and even the lavender one. And they all come sealed. They come in a 3.5-ounce size. And I'm really excited. I finally found something I wanted for such a long time. Picked up some headache medicine by Assured Extra Strength. This stuff is decent. It works well. Also picked up the only thing that can cure anything on my lips. I apply this every night, which is Carmex, and I love this stuff. Coming to my husband's favorite find in Dollar Tree. This is by the brand Ali and Rose, and this stuff is amazing. You get it in all these different flavors: pomegranate, raspberry, blueberry and orange. I think my favorite is probably the blueberry one, but I really like this. It comes in a 2.7-ounce size, a packet. So yeah, if you see this, do pick it up. And last but not least, picked up some water. It comes 6 to a pack. And those are all the things I got from the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.